precious family. I hope all is well with everyone. This is Ambrasia Kitchen. And if you are watching me for the first time, you're welcome. Today, we're setting up a Valentine table. Very simple Valentine tables. My tablecloth on. But mostly when you are using tablecloth with a pattern, you have to make sure you get the center. So I check mine, and here is going to be the center. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7. So here is going to be this middle. This is a table of 6, but I'm going to do table of 2. You place your table mat or your table charger. I've had this for a while, but that's what I'm going to use for my table runner. Yeah, so normally I hang this, but as I told you, simple, using what I have in the house. I have these flameless wax candles. I'm going to use those ones. Your dinner plate and salad plate. Place it. So you hold the middle like that. Then if you want, you're using the ring, napkin rings, you put it. Place it. Then you place your salad plates. Then you tuck it in here. That's it. And only Mama Betty. Yeah, go to mamabetty.com and purchase your pots and your spices. Your knife, if you're gonna need a knife. Your spoon. Then your fork, the long one, and then the short one. And your small spoon for dessert. You can place it here. Salad fork, and then your wine glass and water. And you can put your candies in here. So I'm gonna put this here. This is Hershey's Kisses bowl, but I don't have it. Yay, the other kakura.